Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Redmi Note 5 Pro running MIUI 10 or newer and at least 20% battery. Now open Settings and go directly to Apps to save time. You want to access app permissions. Find the target app in the list and tap Permissions. Once there, enable the floating window or pop-up window permission so the system allows overlays. Doing this first prevents blocking later. Make sure the app shows permission granted before moving on to window controls. Next, you navigate to Settings, then Special App Access and choose Floating Windows to control overlays globally. Enable the specific app by toggling it to Allowed. This grants runtime permission. Once done, return to the home or open the app. To create a window, open Recents, long press the app card or icon, and pick Floating Window. This creates a movable mini window. You do this because MIUI separates permission from activation. One unlocks capability, the other triggers the actual floating instance. To finalize, resize and move the floating window by dragging its corners and header so it doesn't block important UI. If the window won't appear, reboot the phone first, then reopen Settings right arrow floating windows and regrant permission, or clear the app cache to remove stale state. Also verify security app settings. Enable auto start and background permissions for consistent behavior. If you still have issues, disable battery saver for the app. This often stops background overlays from launching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.